Almost ready now. Yes, perfect.
Papa!
Come here, my boy.
So sweet.
I brought fresh bread for you.
Thank you, my dear. It looks wonderful.
Please eat.
This meal is wonderful.
Yes, it's delicious.
Have some more, Dad.
This meal is wonderful.
Thank you. Have some more.
It's so yummy.
Save some room for dessert. There we go, almost done.
It's so soft, Papa.
Just one more fold.
Perfect.
Okay, let's add this one.
My turn. I'll put a red one. Make it tall. Great idea.
Okay, let's build the base.
I'll add a yellow one. This one goes here.
Great teamwork.
It's growing.
Okay, let's start the tower.
I'll put the blue one on top. It's so tall.
Great job, buddy. The morning is peaceful.
It is. I love these quiet moments.
They remind me of my childhood.
And mine.